bone we're looking at here is the femur. This is the longest bone in the body. First thing we need to do is to put it into anatomical position to figure out also if it's a left or a right femur. This is superior. We have the head of the femur at the top, and we have the condyles at the bottom. But is this a left or a right? We know the head of the femur is going to fit into the acetabulum. If we turn it around, we're going to see this smooth patellar surface, which is for our knee. So we know this will be anterior. If this is anterior, and we want the head to go into the body, this must be medial. So this would be a left femur. You see that fits into the acetabulum of the os coxae. So let's go over the parts. At the top we have the head. Do you see the little fovea here? Fovea capitis, that is for the ligament, the round ligament of the femur, also called ligamentum teres of the femur. Around here we have the neck. If you look on the, turn this around, you see a very large bump here and a little small bump here. This large bump is called the greater trochanter of the femur. The small one is the lesser trochanter of the femur. The greater trochanter of the femur is the insertion point for all gluteal muscles, in whole or in part. The lesser trochanter of the femur is for the insertion of iliopsoas. We're going to go down and look at the long part of the bone, that is the shaft of the bone. Down here on the bottom, we see these smooth surfaces where we're going to articulate with the femur. These are the condyles. The word epi means above, so above the condyles here on both sides, we have epicondyles. Remember, this was the medial side, so this would be the medial epicondyle. This is the lateral side, this is the lateral epicondyle. So this is the medial condyle and the lateral condyle. Let's look at the structures we just mentioned a little bit closer, see if we can really see the distinction among them. The smooth surface on the bottom on the medial side is the medial condyle, the lateral side is the lateral condyle. Above here we have the lateral epicondyle. This is for the origination of the lateral head of gastrocnemius. We turn this around to the medial side. The medial epicondyle is for the origination of the medial head of gastrocnemius. And then we have this very small bump right above the medial epicondyle. This small bump here is the adductor tubercle, and that is for the insertion of adductor magnus. There's one other structure that I'd like you to see on the femur. We see a line coming down here. This line is called linea aspera. This is for the insertion of our adductor brevis, adductor longus, and a portion of our adductor magnus. You'll notice I said adductor magnus inserted on the adductor tubercle over here. Adductor magnus does have two insertion points. I did not misspeak on this. So adductor magnus inserts on linea aspera as well as the adductor tubercle. You'll notice that I said that adductor magnus inserted on the adductor tubercle, and I just said that adductor magnus inserts on linea aspera. This is not a mistake. Adductor magnus does have two insertion points, right here on the linea aspera, and again over here on the medial side above the medial epicondyle on that adductor tubercle. Where it has two insertions is what gives it that hiatus, and you'll see the adductor hiatus when we look at that muscle on the cadaver and on the model.